If you are a US30 trader, this video may be very, very helpful for you. So before I start a new week, what I like to do with my mentorship students is kind of go over the previous week just to look at the opportunities, just to look at, where you may have missed some type of liquidity and things like that. And this video is just that, guys. When we're back testing, we want to back test with some purpose. So I'm bringing us back exactly 7 days, and I'm doing this right ahead of this Sunday's market opening. I'm also going to give you guys an outlook of what I'm looking at as we go into the new week, and I'm also going to give you a longer term, higher time frame projection of what I'm seeing for US30. So as we opened the market last Sunday, right here in this area, I noticed that we came into filling right into this imbalance here, but we had not quite reached up and took out this high. So as the market opens on Sunday, I noticed that the market started to distribute down, right? There are two things that I noticed, guys. Number one, it left behind buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity. Now, if you don't know what you're going to do on a Monday, because this is mid Monday, if you don't know what's happening and you don't know what you're going to do on a Monday, I suggest you wait and continue for the market to move to give you something. The last thing you want to do, guys, is trade and you're not really sure of the direction, because that's going to leave you open to taking trades in any direction, and we don't want to do that. We want to trade with a purpose. So after leaving behind buy side liquidity and also creating sell side liquidity, guys, there's one thing that I'm waiting for: a liquidity sweep, either to the upside or the downside. What happens as we go into Tuesday, guys, the market climbs up, it takes out this high and this high, right? The market then finally gave us a swing high, right? Gave us this swing high because we pushed down, right? So this is the last push up before we came down. So after coming up for that swing high and taking out that buy side liquidity and pushing down, it seems as though we came down and created a new low. So guys, we took out both areas of buy side and sell side liquidity. Now the market has finally made a move on Tuesday. Now what I was waiting for was for price to come back into this OB, filling in all of this imbalance, right? But on Tuesday, guys, this is really important to look out. On Tuesday, price decided that it wanted to stop right here, that it was not interested at that moment in going up to fill in the rest of that imbalance. And so we created what it looks like is a supply zone. So from this supply zone, guys, you could definitely have started to target this low and this low, right? The swing low. So guys, now as we go into Tuesday, we get this supply zone. This is one, two, a few moments, right? The market gives you an opportunity to take a sell. And this is a sell that I did take. Although I was originally waiting for price to touch the OB, I did go ahead and take this sell from this supply zone here. And I was definitely had a stop loss right here. I was targeting all of these lows. Now, what's really interesting is as we come into Thursday, guys, we start to trade in between supply and demand, right? Consolidate. And this is where the market starts to accumulate, right? We like to call that the accumulation phase. So Thursday and Friday may not have presented any valid opportunities for you, and it may have confused you, but believe that there are traders who are definitely taking opportunities here or here. So now that we have this, guys, what are we waiting for? What are we looking for as we go into the new week? Well, because we have this swing high and then we have a new swing low, which I'm going to go ahead and erase that swing low because we've created a new low on the 1 hour time frame. This is the new swing low. Because we have a new swing high and a swing low, what I'm looking for is for the market to travel in between the swing high, in between the swing low, possibly grabbing some type of liquidity and then creating a new low. That's what I'm looking for because I'm following structure on this 1 hour time frame. Now, what is likely to happen is that we go ahead, right? Possibly break this high, take out a lot of buy side liquidity, maybe going into that OB, filling in this imbalance that we have up here, right? Filling in this imbalance, finally probably touching this OB before continuing down. Now, what is giving me the idea that we're going to continue down? And this is where I like to go to the higher time frame, guys. Let's go to the daily time frame and let's have a look at what we have there. So on the daily time frame, guys, we do have, I'm going to go ahead and clear that. We do have a swing high and we have a swing low on the daily time frame. The market currently is in a premium area. And what I'm looking for, right, because we've traveled up, what I'm looking for is for the markets to start pushing down into a discounted area. Now, we know that the economy is not in good shape at the moment. And notice that we have this swing high up here. Price did not go ahead and take out this swing high. I do want to point that out. So either price is making its way down due to what's happening in the economy, but we don't like to predict anything, guys. So for now, if price is traveling into a discount, I am looking for price to go into this area here. Somewhere into this area is where I'm looking for price to travel down into. So what I would be doing is definitely getting an entry on the smaller time frame and taking it down into this area. Now, guys, we have to pay attention to the fundamentals, right? Let's see what price does. If price decides that it's going to continue up, we'll see something like this. Price travels down into a discount area and then it continues up. We'll see something just like that if price is going to continue up, right? But we want to pay close attention to the fundamentals and the sentiment of seasoned traders, right? We want to pay attention to all of that to come up with our analysis or to know what we're doing. Price could either do that or price could continue down and we can start to get that bearishness now. Am I expecting that right now? No, I'm not, guys, because I'm also using the dollar, and what I'm projecting for the dollar has to align with an opposite way of what I'm projecting for US30. There's still some more, guys. I remember calling it out that price would be traveling down into this area here, way when price made that all-time high for the dollar. And I'm still looking for the dollar to give us some more movement down, which means that I'm still waiting for US30 to give us some more movement up. So I'm not looking for that meltdown as of yet. I am for now just looking for price to go into a discount area. And remember how we find and calculate premium and discount areas is using the fib. We don't have to get fancy with it. Use the fib here and find that discount area. Anything at the 50% or beneath that area is definitely discount. Price could come into here. Price could come down a little bit into here. We do have liquidity right beneath that area. These are still very nice discounted areas. So guys, this is what I'm projecting long term. This is the opportunities that were presented the previous week with US30. I'll go ahead and get with the conclusion. I'm looking for price to do some type of manipulation as we enter the new week and possibly going up and taking out all of this buy side liquidity, reaching, filling in this imbalance, reaching this OB, and possibly going down to give us a discount on the higher time frame level. So guys, thank you all for watching this video and I'll catch you on the next one.